Hi, this is Mimi, the business advisor. We're going to be talking about another program today. Today we're going to be talking about the Shopify program. It's Shopify, and Operation Hope, and what they want to help you to do with your business. Again, this is Mimi, the business advisor. We advise business owners on how to start, grow, and sustain their businesses. If you're new here, follow us on social media, like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed the video. It is to help bring 1 million Black businesses online through this program. And to get started, all you have to do is to click here to start the free trial. So basically, they're allowing business owners to try Shopify free with an exclusive 120-day trial. Okay, so this is how it works. You sign up for your trial. If you're a new business owner or don't have a business or don't have a website yet, you can start your free 120-day trial today. Okay, if you have a business website set up, you just skip to the next to step 4. So here, if you don't, you build your online store. You follow the steps here, and then you visit Operation Hope's website for more information, such as online courses, virtual workshops, one-on-one coaching, mentoring, and other programming designed to guide you through your journey. And then you join the Build Black community to get your exclusive asset to Shopify's Build Black community. It's a place to network with other successful Black entrepreneurs that are using Shopify for their business. If you've been getting value from this so far, please consider liking this video, subscribing to our channels, and following us on social media. So these are the frequently asked questions. It says, why is the program running? And it just tells you that they teamed up to help, create a pathway for successful entrepreneurship, and just to make it easier for Black business owners, new and existing, and basically to help businesses to start and scale. What's free during the free trial? This is important, guys. The extended trial only applies to subscription fees. Subscription fees only, okay? The transaction fees will be charged 14 days after your shop is set up. Okay, so they're essentially just waiving the subscription fees, but the transaction fees will be charged 14 days after your shop is set up. So that is key. Okay, if I'm an existing merchant on the Shopify platform, am I eligible for a subscription credit? Unfortunately, it says no, but you can still enroll and enjoy other benefits of the 1 million Black business program. So who is this program for? Whether you have a dream for starting your own business or an existing business looking to grow your business, this program is for you. It's going to help you get closer to your goal. And it's focusing right now on US-based Black identifying entrepreneurs. So this question is, if I signed up for Shopify before the 1 million Black business program through Operation Hope, do I still get the extended trial? It says, if you are still in your trial period, yes. If you are now on a paid plan after completing your trial period, no. But again, you can still enroll and enjoy the other benefits of the 1 million Black business program. If you're not ready to start a store yet, how long will Shopify offer the 120-day extended trial? So this program will run until 2030. So you have a lot of time. But by starting a trial now, you can explore what Shopify has to offer to help guide your business in the right direction, no matter what stage you're in. So, this is just a testimonial for one of the businesses that got engaged in it. And so these are the next steps. Okay. So you get started with the program, you click here, this is the application, and then you head back to the 1 million. If you're not ready to start yet, you can still go back here. So this is essentially what you have to do, and we will drop the link to this site on the show notes so you can go back to it whenever you want. I'm just going to click on start the program to see what we go. So you have to set up your shop to for the certification. You have to put your email address, first name, last name, and you press enter, and then you keep going. Okay. I don't want to populate this with wrong information. So check out the application. I'm just going to go through the application process just to see what we can show you. So the baseline requirements include are not limited to: must be on a paid Shopify plan, and must be at least 50% black owned, and must abide by the rules. So go register now. You put your name, you put your information. For an example, you press enter, and then you go put your email, example e@example.com, and then enter, and then what Shopify plan are you on. You can choose for, or in this situation you choose the 120-day free trial. Okay, let me put I'm not sure. I want to see what is gonna happen. And then you put your Shopify URL, and then you go further. So it's looks like it's a relatively easy process to follow, and all you just have to do is do that and get started, and then you can enroll and get the benefits of the program. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.